going on, guys? It's Ryan from RPS Dent Repair, bringing to you another tool review of the Tactical Gorilla Grip. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so what we have here is the Gorilla Grip Tactical handle. It's made by John Hiley. The build quality on this is like nothing out there. It's solid. The machine work on the inside here where the teeth are, it's just a really well built tool, and the versatility of this thing is awesome. One thing I really like is these handles unscrew, and you can unscrew this handle and make it a shorty if you like the shorty. I originally, the first prototype one that I saw at the Hail Expo, I really liked the shorty handle. But I understand the reason of this tool. So you have both of those options there. You can pull this rubber ball off and put it on the end here. But the main thing is just the leverage. So this tool is mainly built on the A1 frame of the tools. So it uses the A1 ratcheting handle part. And when I originally saw it, I didn't quite understand it. I originally thought, well, it's not really ratcheting the way that it's supposed to ratchet. You know, you almost have to push this button and just turn it a little bit and put it back down. You're eliminating that ratcheting part. But the more I got to use it by the end of the weekend at the Hail Expo, it clicked. And what it really was is you're going from this little handle to where you don't get any torque, any drive, any leverage, and you're really cranking on this tool, to this handle. So look at the comparison there. It's massive. It is massive. So it's not so much using in the ratcheting part. What it's mainly using is you're able to move this handle anywhere you want and get this leverage. So that's the main reason John created this, was just because these handles are just, me personally, they're not my favorite. So you use a flathead screwdriver, break it loose. I've already done that. You're going to unscrew it. It's got a spring behind it. You're going to take this off. You're going to take this, and you are literally just going to throw it away. Okay? And what you have here is the sprocket end of it. This screw in this spring, you really don't need anymore. You take the tactical end, and you literally push the button, and look how easy that was. It literally fits in there amazing without any issues. And you can move it anywhere you want. It's got a little sleeve in here to where the tool can kind of spin around. It'll kind of spin in here if you wanted to adjust it. After you get it where you need to get it and you need to move a tooth over, it'll turn. And just the true drive of this thing is awesome. I mean, it is awesome. The power behind it, and I understand why he calls it the Gorilla Grip. It's just because there's so much torque behind it now, to where before, when you had this little handle, you couldn't get that torque. So John's done an amazing job with this Gorilla handle. If you have A1 tools, which a lot of us do because they make some good stuff, make sure you get this handle. The versatility of this thing is awesome. The build quality is even better. So remember, guys, you know, go to Tactical PDR, get yourself one of these, and you can't go wrong. The build quality, the versatility of it, there's nothing out there like it. It's a great job, John Hiley, and get yourself one. Remember, guys, keep it real. Thanks for watching. See ya.